Eric, welcome back. It's great to see you again. Are lead times really instructive at this stage?
Hey, Carl, thank you for having me on this morning. So they are instructive. Again, we're looking for as many early data points on demand as possible. And something we can all do is track lead times. Again, the time between ordering a phone and getting that phone delivered. And the answer is they are elevated right now. iPhone 14 Pro Max lead times are almost 45 days. iPhone 14 Pro lead times are almost 37 days. Both of those are records across all models launched in the last 6 years at this point in the cycle. And so there's a lot to go. I don't want us to get over our skis, but as we evaluate these early demand data points, yes, lead times are very instructive, and they are much better than expected, I would say, so far.
Right. If you extract the emphasis on the Pro, which we mentioned is getting quite a bit of a play, what does that suggest about overall demand in this cycle?
Yeah, so right now what we're trying to balance is the strength of the Pro and the Pro Max versus relative weakness of the iPhone 14 SKU. And what we've determined so far is that the strength at the high end is more than offsetting perhaps some weaker demand at the low end. We've heard about some rumors of increasing iPhone 14 Pro and Pro Max builds. Ultimately, what we do is we rely on a lot of our supply chain team to help us give insights into what assemblers are looking at. And right now, we actually see upside to our iPhone unit forecast in the December quarter. Again, speaking to the strength of the Pro and the Pro Max, more than offsetting any perceived weakness from some of the lower end models that perhaps didn't get the significant upgrades that the Pro and the Pro Max models did.
So, Eric, it sounds like there could be an imbalance here between the higher end Pro models and the regular models. What does that mean for Apple, for its inventory, supply chain, holiday sales?
Yeah, I think most importantly, it shows you that they can raise prices through mix shift, right? And so we have iPhone prices up about 5% year over year in fiscal 23. We assume about 52% of iPhone new model mix are the Pro and the Pro Max models. Right now, builds are trending to be roughly 57% of mix. And so even if we forecast growth in pricing for the next year, actually, I would argue that you could even have incrementally stronger prices, just given the mix shift that we're seeing to the Pro and the Pro Max. Again, I do want to caution it is early. The phones just were available last Friday. But again, every data point that we can collect thus far is relatively positive, with the one caveat that I would love to see more data coming out of the likes of Japan or the Eurozone, both areas where Apple has raised prices significantly to offset some of the currency impact. I'd love to get better insight into how those regions are performing early on. But overall, again, the number one read-through on stronger mix shift to the high end is stronger prices, pricing growth year over year.